Okay, now today I'm going to scrap a touch light. This is one of those lights where you touch it and it go like 3 different brightnesses. The cord was wrapped around it all nice, and it was actually at a tag sale. I went to the tag sale and I said, you know, if this doesn't sell, give me a call and I'll come pick it up. I'll get rid of it for you. You know, don't pay to throw it away when I'll come and get it for free. So that's one way you can get a bunch of scrap. But I've scrapped a couple of these before. It's going to have some kind of electronics in here. And it's probably going to have some brass parts on it too. But with this one, I'm going to cut the cord really short, just so it's not in my way. And then start taking screws out. Oh, look at that. There must be a bolt behind the screw. I'd hate to smash all the glass and make a mess. The light still worked. That's in. The light still worked. But the finish on it is totally gone. 10-10. Ah, yeah, there's bolts in here. I gotta hold on to the back of the bolt while I unscrew it. Ten. Yeah, I really don't want broken glass everywhere. Probably could just throw this in the scrap pile just the way it is. But they don't want glass at the scrapyard either. Whoa! Alright, glass is all out. Got a piece of tin. Bunch of garbage glass. There's going to be some electronics in here. Got some garbage. Is this unscrew? Yep. Is this unscrew? Let me see what it's made out of. It's all tin. There is a little bit of brass down inside of here, but I ain't gonna mess with it. Now on the light bulbs, this end piece is aluminum. You can smash it, scrap the aluminum, but I'm just gonna throw this in the garbage. See if I can get this wire out of here. Garbage. What the world's holding it in there? These unscrew. Something's unscrewing. Look at that unscrewed. So this I'm going to cut. Got some number 2 coated copper. I'm going to call this copper bearing. I'll throw it in my copper bearing bucket. Now that I know it unscrews. Lots of good number 2 coated copper. This stuff's too thin to waste my time stripping it. I usually do strip all my copper. Some of it's just not worth stripping. Ground screw. Got some tin. And a little piece of electronics. Smack it with a hammer. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Number 2 circuit board. And some wire. It's not that bad. It was worth picking up. It was worth the minute or two. What is this? Is brass? No, it's not brass. It actually is pretty heavy. I think it might be cast aluminum. This brass alright. Alright, pretty good. Got a bunch of tin, a bunch of coated copper, number 2 coated copper, a couple pieces of circuit board, some copper bearing, piece of brass. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.